Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Animal Crossing New Horizons online. To start your online adventures, first, make sure you have an active Nintendo Switch Online membership. This subscription is essential for connecting with friends and other players around the globe. Next, confirm your Nintendo Switch console has a stable internet connection. Once these two crucial steps are complete, head over to Dodo Airlines, located at the airport on your island, to access the online features. To welcome guests to your island, simply speak with Orville at the Dodo Airlines counter and choose the option, I want visitors. You'll then decide whether to invite players from your Nintendo Switch, friends list, or generate a temporary Dodo code. A Dodo code is a 5-character password that allows anyone you share it with to visit, accommodating up to 7 other players simultaneously. This offers a flexible way to host both close friends and new acquaintances. If you wish to explore other players' islands, approach Orville at Dodo Airlines and tell him, I wanna fly. He will then ask if you want to visit a friend's island or enter a Dodo code. If you choose to visit a friend, their open islands will appear. For a Dodo code visit, simply input the 5-character code provided by the host. You can join up to 7 other players on a single island, making for lively social gatherings. When playing online, good etiquette ensures a fun experience for everyone. Always ask the island host for permission before picking up any items, shaking trees, or harvesting resources. Respect their island and its unique layout, and be kind to their villagers. Utilize the in-game chat feature or character reactions to communicate politely with your host and other visitors. Following these simple guidelines helps maintain a positive and enjoyable online community for all.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.